In this video, I will show you how to put border in a Word document. This is very simple and easy to put the border in the Word document. You just need to go to the Design tab, and on the right side of you can see that page border. Click on that, and under the border and shading you need to click on the page border. Here you need to click on the box, and you can see in the preview the border is applied here. Here you can, under the style drop down menu, you can select any dotted, straight line, whatever your choice is. Even the thick border is also available. So click on that, and under the color drop down menu you can select choice of your colors. Here you can see that the border is orange, and in the width you can select the width of your choice. Here if you want to select 1.5 pt border, and here you can see the width of the border is also in the preview. Under the art tab you can apply any of art if you want to. For example, if I select this, so you can see that the heart is applied here. But in this case, I'll go to the none. I don't want to put any art. So here I'm selecting dotted border and color of red. And I want to increase the width, and I'm applying this one. So if you want to apply on the whole document, click on whole document, and if you want to put any section of the page, you can click on any section. So here I am applying on the whole document, and then click on OK. And here you can see that the dotted border is applied. So in this video, I hope you have learned that how to put border in Word document. If you think the video is helpful and supportive, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.